Hyundai Creta Electric Car Details. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the highly anticipated Hyundai Creta Electric car. Hyundai is stepping into the future with this electric version of its popular SUV, retaining the bold identity of the Creta while offering an eco-friendly driving experience. The Creta Electric comes equipped with a powerful electric motor and a high-capacity battery pack, expected to offer a range of around 400 kilometers on a single charge. This EV is built on Hyundai's latest eGMP platform. Focusing on efficiency, safety and innovation, it supports fast charging, allowing up to 80% charge in just under 45 minutes, making it practical for daily commutes and long drives alike. Exterior part. From the outside, the Hyundai Creta Electric looks futuristic yet familiar. It carries the same muscular stance as its petrol sibling, but with a sleeker closed-off grille, signature EV design elements and aerodynamic styling. LED headlamps and DRLs stretch across the front, giving it a modern, aggressive look. The side profile features sharp creases, new aerodynamic alloy wheels and flush door handles that enhance its electric appeal. At the rear, it sports a full-width LED light bar and a redesigned bumper that differentiates it from the ICE version. The charging port is conveniently placed near the front fender, making it easy to access. Interior part. Inside the Creta Electric, Hyundai has taken a minimalist, tech-forward approach. The dashboard is clean and dominated by dual digital screens, one for the instrument cluster and the other for infotainment. The infotainment system supports wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and over-the-air updates. Soft touch materials and ambient lighting enhance the premium feel. The center console is redesigned with a rotary dial for gear selection, giving more space and a futuristic touch. Seats are wrapped in eco-friendly leatherette, and there's generous space for both front and rear passengers with a flat floor thanks to the absence of a transmission tunnel. Comfort level. The Creta Electric delivers excellent comfort for both driver and passengers thanks to its spacious cabin and refined suspension setup. The ride quality is smooth and silent due to the electric powertrain. Hyundai has also added advanced climate control with rear AC vents and a cabin pre-cooling feature that can be controlled remotely. Seats are well cushioned with good under-thigh support, and the driver's seat offers multiple electronic adjustments. There's also ample boot space and thoughtful storage options throughout the cabin, making it a practical choice for families and city driving alike. Performance. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, the Creta Electric is powered by a single motor setup, delivering around 135 horsepower and instant torque, giving it quick acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h in under 10 seconds. Driving feels smooth and responsive with 3 driving modes: Eco, Normal and Sport, for different moods and road conditions. Regenerative braking can be adjusted through paddle shifters, helping to improve range and offering one-pedal driving experience. Handling is tight and steering is precise, making it fun to drive in both city traffic and highway runs. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the Hyundai Creta Electric is a bold move into the electric future by combining the practicality and appeal of the original Creta with the benefits of electric mobility. It offers striking looks, a modern interior, solid comfort and impressive performance, all while being environmentally friendly. If you're looking for a feature-packed electric SUV that fits daily needs and modern lifestyle, the Creta Electric should definitely be on your list. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such detailed reviews.